Wi-Fi Setup Made Simple. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, Wi-Fi setup. Whether you're at home, work, or your favorite cafe, understanding how to get your devices connected to Wi-Fi is essential. So let's dive in and demystify the world of wireless connections. Wi-Fi is a technology that uses radio waves to provide network connectivity. A Wi-Fi connection is established using a wireless adapter to create hotspots, areas in the vicinity of a router that are covered by the wireless network. When you're within a hotspot's range, you can connect to its network to access the internet without the need for cables. The phrase, Wi-Fi setup, refers to the process of configuring your wireless network so that devices can connect to it. This involves a few steps. 1. Connecting your router. This is the device that broadcasts the Wi-Fi signal. 2. Configuring the router. This means accessing the router's settings to set up the network's name, SSID, and password. 3. Connecting your device. This is when you select the Wi-Fi network on your device and enter the password to connect. Let's break down the Wi-Fi setup process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. 1. Plug in your router to a power source and your internet modem. 2. Access the router's configuration page via a web browser, using the address provided in the router's manual. 3. Create a network name, SSID, that you will recognize. 4. Secure your network by creating a strong password. 5. Save your settings and test the connection with a device. Sometimes you might run into issues during the setup process. Here are some tips to troubleshoot. Ensure the router is plugged in and turned on. Verify if the internet connection is active and functioning. Check if the device's wireless capability is turned on. Confirm that you are entering the correct password. There you have it, a basic rundown of Wi-Fi setup. With this knowledge, you're ready to get your devices connected and enjoy the internet wirelessly. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Happy surfing, and see you next time.